Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new currency account, basically a new bank account in another country using the transferwise application. So first of all, swipe down and search for the Wise application. Click open. Once you're here, swipe left and click on open. Now select the currency that you want to open your account in. I'm going to select Canadian dollar. And your account has successfully been opened. To view your account details, tap on this account details icon. And here you can see your details. To copy them to the clipboard to share with someone else, click on copy your details. Alternatively, you can click on this share button and this will give you options to share it with people on WhatsApp, messages or through email. Now if you tap on outside Canada, it shows you that you cannot get account details to receive international CAD payments yet, which means that this account can only be used to receive payments from people or bank accounts inside of Canada. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Have a good day.